Let's be real, cleaning can be a hassle. Whether it's pet hair everywhere, dust piling up, or just trying to keep your floors spotless, it always feels like a never-ending chore. But what if your vacuum actually made cleaning faster, easier, and way more effective? That's where Dyson comes in. With powerful suction, smart technology, and versatile designs, these vacuums take the stress out of cleaning, so you spend less time fighting messes and more time doing what you love. If you've been struggling to keep up with dust and dirt, this might be the upgrade you need. In this video, we will break down the best Dyson vacuum of 2025, and you might also find some surprises for you, so make sure to watch till the end to catch them. Now, let's get started. Number 6. Dyson V11. Best value cordless vacuum. It is proof that you don't need to spend top dollar to get powerful, reliable cleaning. While it may not have the latest dirt detection tech like the V15, it still delivers excellent suction, smart floor adaptation, and great battery life, all at a price that makes it one of the best value cordless vacuums on the market. One of its standout features is Auto Mode, which adjusts suction power depending on the floor type. Whether you're switching from carpets to hard floors, the V11 automatically optimizes cleaning without wasting battery. And speaking of battery life, it delivers up to 60 minutes on a single charge, plenty for most homes. The LCD screen is a handy touch, showing battery percentage, cleaning mode, and even blockage alerts, so you always know what's going on. The 0.7 liters bin is decently sized and easy to empty, though if you have a larger home, you may find yourself emptying it more often. It's also missing dirt detection, which means it won't automatically adjust suction based on how dirty your floors are. Here's the surprise. There is huge $170 off now at Dyson. You should definitely catch it before it's gone. So for its price, the V11 offers fantastic performance, making it a smart buy for anyone wanting Dyson quality without overspending. Number 5. Dyson Ball Animal 3. If you're tired of battling pet hair and stubborn dirt, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 might just be the ultimate solution. Designed for pet owners and homes that need serious deep cleaning, this vacuum packs powerful suction, smart detangling technology, and whole machine filtration into a sleek, upright design. One of its standout features is Dyson's detangling brush bar, which automatically clears wrapped hair, so no more struggling with scissors to clean out pet fur. The radial root cyclone technology maximizes suction, pulling in everything from fine dust to embedded dirt, while the whole machine filtration system keeps allergens trapped inside instead of releasing them back into the air. Navigating around furniture is effortless with ball technology, allowing for precise movements with just a turn of the wrist. And with 3 cleaning modes, you can switch between carpets, hard floors, and deep cleaning high traffic areas with ease. With a 50 feet total reach, it's built for large spaces, though its bulkier size might not be ideal for smaller homes. And here's the surprise. There is a $100 off now at Best Buy. Don't miss it! But if you're looking for a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty pet messes and deep cleaning, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is one of the best upright vacuums you can get. Number 4. Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin. It is built for those who want powerful cleaning in a lightweight, compact design. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum but still want strong suction and smart features, this could be the perfect fit. One of its standout features is Dyson's Laser Slim Fluffy trademark head, which reveals invisible dust on hard floors, great for spotting debris you might otherwise miss. The auto-adjusting suction intelligently adapts based on the amount of dust it picks up, ensuring you're always using the right amount of power for the job. Despite being Dyson's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum, it still delivers 30% more power than previous models and runs for up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Its cordless and lightweight design makes it ideal for staircases, small spaces, and even car interiors. There are trade-offs though. The dirt compartment is quite small, meaning frequent emptying, and some parts of the plastic body feel a bit flimsy. But here's the surprise. You can get it with $123 off now at Walmart. So if you want a compact, high-performance vacuum that's easy to maneuver and packed with smart features, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin is a solid investment. Number 3. Dyson V15 Detect Cordless. It is hands down one of the most powerful and intelligent cordless vacuums you can get right now. It's designed to take the guesswork out of cleaning, thanks to laser dust detection and real-time dirt analysis, features that might sound gimmicky but actually make a difference. One of its best features is the auto-adjusting suction, which detects the amount of dust and floor type, then optimizes power accordingly. This means you're not wasting battery on clean areas, but getting maximum suction where it matters. And yes, the laser on the fluffy floor head is more than just a cool effect. It actually helps highlight fine dust on hard floors that you'd otherwise miss. With 60 minutes of runtime, you'll have plenty of power for full home cleans, and the 0.8 liters bin size means fewer trips to the trash. The motor bar floor head is also designed to handle pet hair without tangling, making it a solid choice for pet owners. The downsides? It's heavier than older models, and some of the high-tech features aren't essential for everyone. Plus, it's on the pricier side. But here's the surprise. There is a $100 off now at Amazon Us. So here's your chance to get it. Overall, if you want the best cordless vacuum with unbeatable performance, the Dyson V15 is the one to beat. Number 2. Dyson V15S Detect Submarine. It is Dyson's first ever wet-dry cordless vacuum, and for those with hard floors, this is a serious game changer. It takes the powerful suction of the V15 Detect and combines it with a Submarine wet roller head, allowing you to vacuum and mop at the same time, a feature many Dyson fans have been waiting for. The fluffy optic tool has also been upgraded, now using an LED light instead of a laser to illuminate dust and dirt on hard floors, making sure nothing gets left behind. The separate crevice tool helps tackle tight spaces, though the integrated version on some models isn't as effective. Now, while wet cleaning is a great addition, it's not without its flaws. The dirty water tank isn't transparent, making it tricky to know when it's full, and in some cases, it may leak if not handled carefully. Also, if you pause too long while mopping, it might leave streaks. That said, if you've got hard floors and want a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution, the V15S Detect Submarine is one of the best cordless wet-dry vacuums out there. Just keep in mind its water management quirks, and you'll love the convenience. Number 1. Dyson Gen 5 Detect. Best overall Dyson vacuum of 2025. Packed with HEPA filtration, intelligent suction adjustments, and next-gen dust detection, this vacuum takes home cleaning to a whole new level. With over 115% more power than previous models, it handles everything from pet hair to fine dust with ease. The fluffy optic cleaner head illuminates hidden dirt on hard floors, ensuring nothing gets left behind. And if you're dealing with thick carpets, the digital motor bar cleaner head tackles deep-seated debris without getting tangled in long hair. One of the standout features is the real-time LCD display, which not only shows your remaining battery life, but also tracks the amount of dust you've collected, so you'll know exactly when an area is truly clean. Plus, the built-in crevice tool makes it super easy to switch to handheld mode for tackling furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. Now, is it perfect? Well, at this price point, it's definitely an investment, and it's slightly heavier than other cordless models. But if you want the best of the best, the Gen 5 Detect is the most advanced Dyson cordless vacuum yet, delivering unmatched cleaning power and convenience. And that's a wrap for this one. Now I'm curious, what kind of floors are you dealing with? Are you all about hardwood and tile, or do you have carpets that need serious deep cleaning? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Stay safe, keep your home spotless, and I'll catch you in the next one.